Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add Afterpay card to Google Wallet. To add your Afterpay card to Google Play, start by opening the Afterpay app on your device. Tap the In-Store option at the bottom, then select Pay in Store. Next, choose Setup Card and tap Add to Wallet. You'll be prompted to verify your identity via SMS. So enter the code sent to your phone. Keep in mind, some users may not see the Add to Wallet option depending on their region, device, or app version. Devices without NFC or older app versions might not support contactless payments. If you have an Afterpay Plus subscription card, it generally works more widely, even outside official Afterpay partners, while standard in-store cards may be limited to select retailers. After adding the card, double check it's listed in your wallet and test it at a supported merchant. Now your Afterpay card is ready to use in Google Play and other NFC-enabled stores, giving you more flexibility and convenience when paying. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.